Hi guys, SPGen forms are out. So that's the first form in fact of the year is SPGen. So let's look at the placement of SPGen and then we look at how to apply and whether I should apply or not apply. So SPGen is among the highest placement in the country with average salary touching 26 lakhs. Trust me guys, after IIM ABC, the fourth rank will be for SPGen in terms of the placement. Fine, batch size is less 233, so that's another best part because mainly I am Lucknow Indore का rank पीछे क्यों जाता है? Because the batch size have touched 500. Because of the average salary goes down. 79 people got a PPO from the campus. Median 25 lakhs, highest 44, and the lowest 15 lakh package. Okay, so with 26 lakh package, this is one of the highest. उतनी फीस भी है जितना पैकेज उतना फीस भी है. Anyway, so 26% of the batch have got a salary of more than 30 lakhs. So 25th mother, suppose I'm assuming 240. So 1/4 of the batch, more than 60 people have got a 30 lakh plus ka package. 57% of the batch having 25 lakh ka package. 80% of the batch is above 20 lakhs. And 2 minutes ka silence for the remaining 20% batch of the batch who got less than 20 lakh ka package even after ending up in SPJ. होते होते बड़े कि वहाँ कांड करते हैं, वहाँ जाके फिर एंजॉय करते हैं, तो उनकी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है उन लोग को. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो प्लेसमेंट now admission process started. So admission process is starting on 25th of September, that is after a few days, and will end on 26th of November. So today we'll take an important call whether I should apply or not apply. Okay, so I'll be straightforward in that thing. For that, we need to check out the eligibility criteria. So there is no major news here about the eligibility criteria here. Okay. So you have to pay the fees of 1500. Yes, you have to separately buy the form there. So number one, the cutoff they claim is 75, 75, 75 and overall 85 percentile for the profile based call. And GMAT also 85 percentile for the profile based call. Okay, and for the score based call, there are two type of calls they give. One is a profile based call, second is score based call. For score based call, you need 98 percentile. Okay, I explained that what is profile based, what is score based. I don't think it is given here. इसी में है शायद रिपोर्ट में. Okay, so for a profile based call, three things are required. Either you should have a consistent academic record, or you should have a relevant work experience, or you should have a versatility or achievements. Okay, so we'll talk about one by one. Okay, let me be very frank. There are a lot of ifs and buts in SPGen. They have rejected good people as well. I had a student last year who had a very good profile. He was an entrepreneur who started his own company. Rejected. Calling me Aya. Anyway, academic record, if you are above 80, 80, 80, 10th, 12th graduation 80, 80, 80, then you have a very good chance to get a profile based call. Okay. Even if you're less in one of them, for example, 10, 12, I'm 80 plus, but graduation I'm 79, then you can apply at your own risk. मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने आपको बोल दिया 80, 80, 80, because the people will comment, sir 80, 80, 60 चलेगा, क्यों नहीं चलेगा? 80, 80, 80 के ऊपर chance है. I'm not saying you will definitely get a call. You have very good chance to get the call. If you don't get a call, please contact SPGen. Don't contact me. आपने कहा था कॉल आएगा, तो आया नहीं भाई. मेरे I'm giving the benchmark figure 80, 80, 80. If you have very good chance to get the call. Number two, the relevant work ex. Yes, they do check how relevant your work ex is. You have a work ex, for example, in IT, and you're applying for finance. तो बेटा कहाँ से कॉल आएगा? So anybody with more than 2 years of work ex in the relevant industry can apply for that. So if you're from IT, it's better to apply for systems rather than applying for finance. Yes, अंदर जाके you can change the job. Tomorrow you can get a job in finance. That's a different issue. But for application, you have to select whatever is your background. You have 2 years of work ex in finance company, then go for finance. Marketing company, marketing. Number three, versatility and achievement. So if you have run or if you have participated in some big event like Olympics, IPL, कोई IPL खेला तो बताओ भाई. Fine. NASA, any big thing you have done at the national level or the international level chalega. International level number one, because SPGN profile, I mean last year they released an ad. We have a Miss India finalist, we had an Olympic finalist as their students. Okay, so if you have any kind of achievement international level, awesome. National level तो भी चलेगा. District level ठीक है, सह लेंगे थोड़ा सा. बट इफ यू आर लाइक गणपति पंडाल में नाचे थे तो नहीं चलेगा भैया. स्कूल में किया था नहीं चलेगा. ग्रेजुएशन लेवल, if you have any of these three things, you have a very good chance to get a call at 85 percentile. Imagine yaar, you are getting into SP Jain 26 lakh ka package only by getting 85 percentile in the CAT exam. हाँ, अब आ गया second part. Those who don't have academic record, good academic record, person like me, I don't have a relevant work ex, I don't have a achievements. तो उनके लिए म्यूजिक. Oh, no problem. In that case, SPGN have a score based call that if you've not done any of these things, no problem. Then we have to go back. We don't have a profile. We don't have academic record, work-ex. So based on the entrance scores, you can get a call. So if you get 98 percentile plus, you have a very good chance to get the call at 98 percentile. Okay, I hope I'm clear with that. Score based call 85 percentile. Score based call 98 percentile. Okay, now come the question, should I apply for not? So you can give CAT or GMAT, any of the exams, to get into that. Tomorrow is the last day to apply for the CAT exam if you have not yet filled the form. Okay, all right. So I'm in Pune. We are connecting the workshop in Thane, Dadar, Nagpur online. So in case you have any of these places online, we are doing on 24th as well. So just call us any of the numbers given here. Just WhatsApp. They will send you the details for the workshop. In case you want to attend my workshop for CAT 21, CD 22, you are most welcome to attend. Okay. Now, should I apply or not? यार दिल तो बहुत करता है SPGN जाने का. दिल तो बहुत करता है. But number one, if you have the profile, if you have that profile, the three things we talked about, then win the supply, because you can touch 85 percentile in the next 2 months. Easily you can touch 85 percentile plus in the next 2 months. Yes, do apply. Because anybody who is even starting now can touch 85 percentile. Yes, then without thinking you can apply. If you have the academic record, if you have this, or not and, or any of these three things. Okay. If you don't have 98 percentile आएगा तो बताओ. 98 percentile नहीं आएगा तो फायदा ही नहीं यार. 98 percentile mean approximately 90 marks in the CAT exam. 98 percentile plus. So my thumb rule or my G strategy for this is very simple. Last day to fill the form is November 25th. If you are taking students, I want your last 5 mock score before this. We will decide around November 10th. Okay. Then look at the last 5 mocks. We'll decide. Yeah, in the last 5 mocks, if you're crossing 90 percentile, yes, then you have very good chance that in 1 week or 2 weeks you can touch 99, 98. But if you are never crossed 80 percentile, तो क्यों भाई, क्यों पैसा वेस्ट कर रहे हो? Why are you applying for that? Okay. So profile based call is separate. Score based call is separate. So 90 plus percentile and 95 percentile, which is 75 marks, if you are scoring, you can apply. So now what I recommend is there 2 ways to look at that. Yeah, the moment you fill SPGN form, you feel motivation. I am in line for SPGN. Then bhar do form. Then why you wait for that? So September 15th, 25th form is coming. So September 26th form bhar do. As a motivation. Yes, I will do it. This will motivate you. Trust me. अभी मेरे को 98 चाहिए. If I want a 26 lakh का package, yeah, that, trust me, that can be the biggest motivation you can get. ये 26 lakh का package. Right. Otherwise, second option which I recommend is wait. Touch 98 percentile, then fill the form. Yeah, even if you touch 95 percentile, you can fill the form. That's my simple thumb rule. But yes, you have to separately buy the form for that. Okay, I'll make a dedicated video for that, which form to buy, which the forms are free along with the CAT, along with the exam day. All the best. So in case you want to join our program, you can just call the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you. All the best.